Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use auto clicker on iPhone. So let's get started. The first you will have to do is to go into settings. Now scroll down and you'll see accessibility. Click on it. Now click on switch control. Now open switches and in here add new switch. Now select the second option that says screen. Now click on full screen and you'll see tap. Click on it. Now go back and click on recipes. Select create a new recipe. Type auto clicker and now sign a switch. Select full screen and now click on custom gesture. Now create a gesture you want and click on stop. Now click on save and go back to recipes and now click on launch recipe and click on auto clicker. Now go to the switch control mode and select the head tracking mode. Now go to the main settings and go down to emergency SOS, and now in here make sure that both of these first options are toggled off. Now go back to accessibility and go into accessibility shortcut. Now find switch control and click on it. Now click 3 times on the side button and your auto clicker will start. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.